Welcome to the fourth part of VCAA Mathematics 2020 exam paper series. In this video, we will solve exam paper 2, section A, questions 1 to 6. Statistically, most students did well in question 1, 3, 4, and 5. About 40% of students had problems with questions 2 and 6.
Hello, Math Champions! I'm Dr. Chen. If you want to improve your math skills and understanding so that you gain confidence, enjoy math more, and get better results, click subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss anything.
Welcome to this VCAA Mathematics exam paper series. This is section A of 2020 exam 2 paper. There are total 20 multiple choice questions in section A and 5 extended response questions in section B. In this video, we will present you the first 6 questions in section A. In question 1 of section A, there are two functions, f of x and g of x. What we know so far are the following coordinates of these two functions. F of -1 equals 4. F of 2 equals 5, g of -1 equals 2, g of 2 equals 7, and g of 4 equals 6. The question is to find the value of the composite function g of f of -1. Since it is given that f of -1 equals 4 and g of 4 equals 6, g of f of -1 equals g of 4, which is 6. So the answer for question 1 is D. Question 2 gives a polynomial cubic function p of x equals x cubed minus 2a x squared plus x minus 1, where parameter a is a real number. When p of x is divided by a linear factor x plus 2, the remainder is 5. The question is to find the value of a. This is quite a straightforward question. What we need to do is to apply the remainder theorem directly. So p of -2 equals -8 minus 8a minus 2 minus 1 equals 5. Solving this simple linear equation, we obtain a equals -2. So the answer for question 2 is E. In question 3, a derivative function f prime of x equals 2 over square root of 2x minus 3 and f of 6 equals 4. The question is to find the rule of its original function f of x. Since f prime of x equals 2 over square root of 2x minus 3, f of x can be obtained by performing the integration. So f of x equals the integral of 2 over square root of 2x minus 3 with respect to x, which can be written to the integral of 1 over square root of 2x minus 3 with respect to 2x, which equals 2 square root of 2x minus 3 plus c, where c is a constant yet to be determined. Since it is given that f of 6 equals 4, the value of constant c can be calculated by substituting the coordinate 6, 4 into the equation f of x equals 2 square root of 2x minus 3 plus c, which gives c equals -2. Hence, f of x equals 2 square root of 2x minus 3 minus 2. So the answer for question 3 is C. Here, question 4 is to find general solution for the trigonometric equation 2 cosine open bracket 2x minus pi over 3 close bracket plus 1 equals 0. The correct answer is within the 5 given choices from A to E, as seen from the screen. Based on the equation 2 cosine open bracket 2x minus pi over 3 close bracket plus 1 equals 0, the trigonometric function can be expressed to cosine open bracket 2x minus pi over 3 close brackets equals -1 over 2. Here we continue to work on question 4. Since cosine open bracket 2x minus pi over 3 equals negative 2, we have 2x minus pi over 3 equals 2k pi plus or minus arc cosine negative 1 over 2. As we know, arc cosine negative 1 over 2 equals 2 pi over 3. So 2x minus pi over 3 equals 2k pi plus or minus 2 pi over 3. Hence, x equals k pi plus pi over 6 plus or minus pi over 3. When taking positive sign, x equals k pi plus pi over 6 plus pi over 3, which equals k pi plus pi over 2, which can be expressed to pi times 2k plus 1 or in parentheses over 2. When taking negative sign, x equals k pi plus pi over 6 minus pi over 3, which equals k pi minus pi over 6, which can be expressed to pi times 6k minus 1 or in parentheses over 6. Looking at the 5 given choices, the correct answer for question 4 is D. Here, question 5 is to find asymptotes of a function f of x equals 3x plus 2, or over the result of 5 minus x. Based on the rule of the function, f of x is written to 3x plus 15 plus 17, or over the result of 5 minus x, which equals negative 3 plus 17 over the result of 5 minus x. Hence, it has two asymptotes, y equals negative 3 and x equals 5. So the correct answer for question 5 is E. Here, question 6 has shown the graph of the derivative function y equals f prime of x. The question here is to find its corresponding graph of the original function f of x. Here we continue to work on question 6. Based on the given graph of the derivative function, there are two stationary points, A and B, in the original function graph. As it can be seen, when x less than A or x greater than B, f prime of x is greater than 0, which implies that f of x is increasing when x is less than A or x is greater than B. However, when x is between A and B, f prime of x is less than 0, which implies f of x is increasing when x is between A and B. Hence, according to the given graphs of f of x from A to E, only graph B matches the given graph of y equals f prime of x. So the correct answer for question 6 is B.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help me make more math content like this. I will see you in the next video.